Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Study with Arya. Today we will read the poem Birds of Paradise. So let's begin. Golden winged, silver winged, winged with flashing flame. Such a flight of bird I saw, birds without a name. Singing song in their own tongue, song of song they came. One to another calling, each answering each, one to another calling in their proper speech. High above my head they wheeled, far out of each. On wings of flame they went and came with a cadenced clang. Their silver wing tinged, their golden wing ranged. The wind it whistled through their wings, when in heaven they sang. They flashed and they darted, a while before mine eyes, mounting still, in haste to scale the skies. Birds without a nest on earth, birds of paradise. This poem is written by Christina Rolesti. Thanks for watching this video.